Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And this is the continuation of my trades that I have taken on Bitcoin. And I thought I'll come back live again to show you how the Bitcoin is doing and the latest trade that I've taken and how it looks very, very interesting. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कैसे बिटकॉइन को ट्रेड किया जा सकता है, खास करके ऑप्शंस को और ऑप्शंस में स्प्रेड को. नाउ डेल्टा एक्सचेंज इज गिविंग अ क्लासिक tool to even trade the spreads, and that's the beauty of it, right? कि आप डायरेक्टली ऑप्शन स्प्रेड्स को भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो, आप बाय सेल कर सकते हो, बट डू अंडरस्टैंड these are all riskier assets, riskier products, so you need to have that very clear understanding of these products before you buy or sell, and always use a stop loss. That is very very important. So अगर आपने मेरा पहले वीडियोस देखा होगा about option trading on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So let me now build up further from here. Let me just very quickly share across my screen. आगे बढ़ने के पहले, if you like these videos which I'm publishing, I've also published something on Bollinger Bands and those things. If you are liking these videos, do share it across, like it, and do subscribe to the channel, because you will keep getting alerts. So not only about crypto, you will get alerts about Nifty, you get alerts about Bank Nifty, how I'm seeing the markets, all of those things. So right now, I'm going to just very quickly share across my screen over here, and I'm just showing you how it's working, how I'm looking at it. And this is one of the positions which is still going on, which is live. And I thought I'll just share that across with you all. ये positions है क्या? This is a spread trade. So यहाँ पर एक option है, आप देख सकते हैं spread trade. So यहाँ पे spread trade में क्या होता है? You're looking at buying a 26,500 का call option and selling a 27,500 का call option. So I'm long on that call options, which means Bitcoin का अभी क्या चल रहा है वो देखते हैं पहले. Then we'll come to these positions again. So if I go to markets and I go to spot and I select Bitcoin here, this is Delta Exchange platform, and the best part is you see everything in one window. And look at a daily time frame chart here. So let me explain it to you. On a daily time frame, if I'm looking at Bitcoin, it is looking superb to me using that concept of Bollinger Bands. So I will come here and I'm going to apply an indicator यहाँ से okay, sorry, यहाँ से where I'm going to be looking at where is the indicator gone? Here. I'm going to look at Bollinger Bands. Okay. Now, if I am applying Bollinger Bands on this chart, I can see this is a standard Bollinger Bands. अगर आपने मेरा Bollinger Band series नहीं देखा है तो दोस्तों, do ensure to go through that series. You will see some amazing outcome. And if you're looking at Bollinger Bands, you will see that over here there is a downside breakdown, which is found support on the band. तो अगर आप खाली प्राइस एक्शन देख रहे होते तो आपको लगता था यहाँ पर एक ब्रेकडाउन मिला है, बिकॉज क्लोज प्रीवियस कैंडल लो के नीचे हो गया है, प्रीवियस प्राइस सपोर्ट एरियाज के नीचे हो गया है ऑन दिस स्पेसिफिक कैंडल. But essentially, if you look at the reversal which happened, this is the reversal candle, which means it found support at the lower. This is a daily time frame chart on Bitcoin. इसने यहाँ सपोर्ट लिया लोअर एंड ऑफ द बैंड पे एंड वहीं से रिवर्स हुआ. So the moment it reversed back on the uptrend, Bitcoin ने जैसे ही reversal candle बनाया यहाँ पे, my view changed that now it's going to give a upside momentum. However, I know the upper end of the band since the bands have gone flat. Okay. So what is my option strategy? My option strategy is that to go long at this area on the options, on the call options, and to sell something above this area so that I am able to make money until it goes to 27,200. So again, I'm repeating, basis of this pattern that I see, basis of Bollinger Bands on the daily time frame chart, my view is that Bitcoin is going to rally. Okay. And if it is going to rally, it's going to go up. When it's going up, I need to buy the call option. But naked call option buy करने में issue क्या है? That you will have to buy the call option. If it does not go up, then you lose everything. Rather than that, I'll create a spread. What is the spread? I'll buy a call option of say 26,500 का call option, and I will sell a call option which is like इसके ऊपर का 27,500. So if my view is that in the 2 days of time, Bitcoin is going to go up until around this level, approximately I'm saying, I'm going to end up making money. Okay. Now to execute that idea, I have a classic spread here. So if I go to the spread, I see various spreads that you see. I'm looking at call spread because I'm bullish. Now if I'm going on the call spread, and यहाँ पर अगर आप नीचे जाके देखेंगे, you will see there is a option 26,500 buy, 27,500 sell. That's a call spread option that I am seeing here, and I can trade that. Now I have that position. Now if I go and I'll show you the positions, I'll just show it across to you. Over here, the transactions that you can clearly see. So this is right now going on and this is running. So if I click on this, you will be able to see. So this is just an experimental portfolio. So it's not much about the amount that I actually saying. It's more to do with the entry. So I entered into this position at $123. And अगर हम अभी देखेंगे ये $123 पे एंटर किया, the current price is right now $208.5, which is the current price that you can see here, which is going on. And you can directly also see the chart of these options. You can directly go and analyze this in the spreads. So यहाँ पर जाके अगर आपको call spreads देखना है, the expiry I'm looking at is 15 September, and this is the spread that I'm looking at right now. If I click on it, directly इसका plot आ जाता है. On the daily time frame also you can check the spread on the 1 hour time frame. Now if I'm looking at the spread at 1 hour time frame, my entry level on the spread was around this area, 122, 123. You are seeing this is where I entered on the spread, and it's still ongoing as of now. This is the entry area, which is 123 is level के ऊपर, and this is still running. So from 123, if it goes to zero, and I bought only 0.10 of a Bitcoin. You know, the best part about what I like about this is you don't really have to buy everything. You can buy just a portion of it. So I bought just 0.10 of a Bitcoin. Okay. And because of the spread. Now, since I entered around this area 0.10, so if it goes up, I'll make money. If it comes down, then I know how much I'm going to lose. So, and anyways, from 123, it's already doubled. From that level of the spread. So that's the best part about Bitcoin, but it moves very fast. As we are talking, it also went all the way towards 300. It's coming down all the way on the downside. So movement बहुत fast होता है. You need to be very smart enough. You should know when to book your profits. You should know when to exit. You should know how to trade. Because if you do not have the complete strategy, if you do not know how it works, you can equally lose money fast. So ये बहुत ही classic product है. तो I know the worst case scenario how much I'm going to lose if I am trading in one Bitcoin. I know यार एक Bitcoin पे अगर मैंने long किया है, and if that Bitcoin पे जो spread पे long किया है, so $123 का spread है, I lose $123. If one complete Bitcoin you are trading, I know the maximum loss that I can have, and I can accordingly set my targets and I can then trade it. But everything essentially will also depend that what are you seeing on the chart here, because खाली हम spreads को trade कर नहीं रहे, हम पहले Bitcoin के trend को समझ रहे. So it's important that you understand the trend, you understand the overall perspective of the trend. Now, if I want to book profit, I can simply come here and book half of the profit, or if I want to book everything, or I want to place a stop loss, all of these things you can simply do it. So क्या किया वापस से, let's just go and recap very quickly. If you're looking at the spot market, this is the Bitcoin USDT. USDT is essentially US dollar, but it's a coin. So US dollar का coin है वो. Now which tracks US dollar. And I went to the daily time frame chart, and on the daily time frame chart, I think Bitcoin is bullish. Okay, this is the daily time frame chart that I'm looking at, and I'm looking that since the Bitcoin is given a break above the mid of the band and sustaining there, my expectation of the target is around 27,180. Since my expectation is 27,180 here, I'm expecting to go long here and sell an out of the money option. So I want to create a spread. Since I want to create a spread, I went to the spreads. I simply went to this specific spread of call spreads for 15th September expiry, 1 day ahead expiry, and simply created a long positions on 26,500 buy and 27,500 sell. And for that, you can simply come here and you can create a long positions, which I showed you in the earlier video. Also, I created another positions on the downside, how I'm creating the long positions here. You can simply create a long positions here, put the best offer which is there, and you can buy, say, not completely, but just 1.1 Bitcoin. That's the best part about it. So if I click on buying here, the best offer, I can simply do that, and I can simply come and buy this Bitcoin. So buy the spread. So this is how you can create option spreads, and this is how you can look at trading this. And I thought, since I have that positions, how is it moving, how is it doing, I thought I'll just share that across with all of you. So बहुत interesting है दोस्तों ये Bitcoin trading. I'm just evaluating and experimenting with it, but it is, I have seen it. If you are right, you can make a lot of money. If you're wrong, you need to have a stop loss so that you do not lose a lot of money. बहुत important है. And essentially, you need to understand the volatility is huge. It's unlike any other options that you're trading. Iska volatility is like 10 times more than Nifty, 10 times more than Bank Nifty, if you're looking at, or Fin Nifty. So iska volatility is always much higher. The good part about it is there is every other day there is an expiry. So you don't really have to wait for a week. You can trade every other expiry, and you can bet on that, and in a very systematic fashion. So what I'm suggesting is, just in case you want to experiment, I am saying do not trade. Okay, just understand how it works. There is a link that you will find it in the description. You can use that link to open to go through to Delta Exchange and see the charts. You will get a lot of free stuff on the charts. Go through that and then just try and experiment with it. Whether it works, it does not work, just check that out. So I'm also doing that, and it's really interesting to see how the movements are happening, and that's what I'm suggesting to all of you. Okay, fantastic. If you are liking this video, do share it across to everyone who is wanting to know. So क्या strategy था इसमें? Bollinger Bands failed breakout trading का एक strategy है, जो मैंने आपको बताया. failed breakout मतलब नीचे break हुआ, बैंड्स पे सपोर्ट लिया और रिवर्स हुआ. बेसिस ऑफ दैट आई एम क्रिएटिंग द पोजीशंस. सो इससे कहते हैं Bollinger Bands failed, not failed on the Bollinger Band, but a failed breakout, and how you trade that pattern. Okay, so if you do put in the comment what more you like to see on cryptocurrencies, I'll be producing more such videos that can help you trade better, if or look at least some kind of a research on cryptos. And do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ashish Kyal signing off. Thank you very much for joining in for a short, brief update on how I'm looking at Bitcoins. Thank you very much.